Hi, today I'm going to make some apple jams. I had a whole bunch of apples and pears, so I have peeled them. I got a whole bunch actually. I peeled and I cut them into these little pieces. These are apples and these are pears, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar. And I'll squeeze half a lemon and add a little bit of vanilla, and I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon powder as well. I'll show you how it looks. So here how it looks. I added a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I squeezed half lemon also on it. And I'm gonna mix it. I'll just stir it and put it on the low heat until it gets some of the juice, and then I'll lower it down and I'll show you when it starts boiling. This is how it looks like. I just stirred it and I'm gonna cover it, leave it until it comes to a boil. When it starts boiling, I give it a stir, and then I'm gonna cover it and put it on a low heat for about 10 minutes. I'll check again. This is what it looks like after it's cold. And it's not too watery, but if it comes out, yours becomes so watery, what you can do is just put a little bit of water, maybe tablespoons of with cornstarch, and add it while it's boiling. It's gonna thicken it up. And I made a jar, so I know this was just extra. I put it in here, so this is how it looks. And it tastes so good with that, a little bit of vanilla and cinnamon powder. It was so good. And I hope you enjoy making it and eating it. Thank you for watching.